Hi there, I'm Sandy Allnock, and I have an opportunity for you to help me make a dream come true. I'm about to hit the 100,000 subscriber milestone here on YouTube, and no, that's not the dream come true. But when I hit that, I wanted to make a special video, and I thought this might be a good time to try to make this video that has been in my head for ages. I'm all about encouraging people to take that next step in their creative journey, to see themselves on a spectrum of art so that you know wherever you are, whether you're at the beginning or you're in the middle, there is always more to go, always more to learn, and celebrate those milestones that you do hit along the way. I need you to write down your milestone, whatever one you want to celebrate, on 1, 2, or 3 pieces of cardstock. And you can either shoot a video of yourself flipping through the 3 cards, or you can take still pictures of yourself with each one. And I will stitch them all together in that big video. There's a couple requirements for this. One is that I have to see your smiling face, whether it's video or still pictures. No hiding behind the cards. Yes, I know you. The other is that you can't use backhanded compliments for your artwork. I don't want to hear any of the, well, at least I color like a 7th grader instead of a 3-year-old now. No, 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 no. I want you to speak positively about your own work. You need to hear your own words speaking affirmation to yourself. In exchange for your participation in this crazy project, I offer you 2 things. One is promotion. You can provide me with one URL for your YouTube, your blog, your Instagram, your Etsy store, whatever it is that you would like people to come and see. Then you can provide me with that, and I will link it in the YouTube description as well as over on my blog. The other is that you get entered in a drawing for a giveaway. I have tons of stamps and dies and art supplies, which is kind of a nice rhyme, and I'm going to be putting those into flat rate envelopes, and then however many of those, I will draw that many names out of all of those who participate and send out prizes after the 100,000th video goes live. I hope that you will share your story to encourage other people to continue growing as artists. Be sure to check the link in the description for more information over on my blog about how to enter, some suggestions for how you can do this, and I will see you guys again very soon. Bye-bye.